Mwide wano
Hello?
All right. People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Bana sangaira okubabonaku essaawa eno tuli kusimbula tujja Busoga tujja Kamuli. This is just to inform all our friends, fans and supporters all over the world, but most importantly in Busoga. We are setting off now. We're going to Kamuli to commence our nationwide tour. We pray that all is going to go well. As usual, we encourage our teams to be disciplined. We know that the regime might want to impede us, but we have done everything within the law. We have ticked every box, and we are set. We are heading to Kamuli now. Thank you very much.
President, do you think things are going to go well when police say you should not move because they halted the mobilization tour last time?
But police has not written to us. Police has not written to us. We wrote to them. We know that everything we're doing is within the law, just like other political parties. We've seen other political parties moving. So we believe that for as long as we are doing everything within the law, we have no problem. And we hope the police will not break the law like they usually do. Police teyatuwandikiddeko bbaluwa yonna ntongole etuyimiriza okukola emirimu gyaffe ate tumanyi nti kye tukola tuli mu kikola mateeka ng'era bw'olaba ebibiina ebirala ne ttiimu endala batambula abakikola amateeka olaba ne muhooza takikola mateeka naye atambula so buli muntu atambula buli kye tukola tukikolera amateeka so tusuubira nti poliisi ejja kuuma amateeka ate ereme kubeera mmenya amateeka yo kennyini bwetusuubira bwe twandisuubidde bwe twandyagadde kuba amateeka bwe galagira. Thank you very much. Okay.